Today's DIY, do yourself, is going to be about replacing the gas filter on your lawnmower. Quick and easy. You can do it with a full tank like I did the other day, or you can do it without gas. But I'm going to do it without gas to show you safety, because, you know, safety first, people. So this is a quick DIY. So get your handy dandy, pliers here. Put it right here. Move that off. Grab this. Do like that, and then do the other side. Whatever you need to do, like put a new one on or something. And then just put it back on. Get your little pliers here. Drag it, boom. Easy, it'll make 5 minutes. That was a quick DIY, do it yourself. It only takes me probably like less than 5 minutes to do it. So y'all can do it yourselves. Add a new one, clean it, whatever. And if y'all like the video, subscribe, like this video, and share it, as many people as you can. That would help, and I appreciate it. And also, my cousin, my uncle, just dropped another video on his ball hog bug from start to finish last night. So go and check that out right now, and see y'all in the next video.